Hey, what's up, folks? Troy here, and in this video, I'm going to keep things short and sweet. Look, there are two things that you need to do or have in order to have a lot of success making money from home. My question to you is this. If you could earn $100 or more over and over again, instantly paid to you, would you be interested? I mean, just keeping things simple, if all you did was you made $100 a day, I'm not even talking about more, but just $100 a day consistently, do you know that you'd have an extra $3,000 per month that you could use towards whatever it is that you find that is very important to you? If what I share with you in this video makes sense, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Now, what are the two things that you need? Well, the first thing you need is a system that does all the heavy lifting, all of the work for you. And then the second thing you need to do is you just need to make a decision to take massive action every single day. That doesn't mean being on social media 8, 10, 12 hours a day. I mean, realistically speaking, I'm sending out emails and I'm getting these results. So the program that I'm going to talk to you about today is a brand new system known as Simple Commissions. And the product is an AI email assistant known as Mailbot. So as it says on this screen that you're looking at right now, this AI email assistant pays you $100 instantly while effortlessly promoting multiple offers, automate lead follow-ups, sales conversations, and instant $100 payouts, all in one powerful AI-driven email funnel. And when you get access to this page, you're going to see this quick 3-minute watch now video. And then you're going to be able to get a free demo in the description after this video is over. You'll see the instructions for you to get a free demo to see exactly how Mailbot can help you in your business. And again, you can promote multiple offers using this system. Folks, this system allows you to promote up to 3 different business opportunities. And the best thing about it is that it actually creates the content for you. You simply tell it how you want to get paid. You instruct it on what day, what time you want it to send the emails out for you, and create a call to action. It's really that simple. And if you're wondering if this really does work, look, you know, this is a $500 commission that I earned, paid instantly to me. All right, here's a payment that came in. This just came in yesterday. The person sent me a message. I paid you the $100. How do I get access to my back office? Right, you can see the date here. You can see the time. Right, and then here's another one. This one came in today. I don't know when it is that you're watching this video. This one came into my Cash App. Another $100, right? You can see the date here. You can see my name. So yes, this does work. You just have to make a decision that you're going to take action, right? And not be one of those people that waste time. And what you want to do is you want to attract the 10% of action takers and say goodbye to the 90% of time wasters. If you have an hour a day to make $100 or more over and over and over again, then I'm going to invite you to go to the description. Once this video is over, go to the description, follow the instructions in the description. You're going to send my Mailbot an email. And once you do that, check your emails. Usually in about 40 to 45 seconds, you're going to get a reply. Look, if this video made sense to you, you got some value, shoot me over a like, comment. I do respond. Subscribe to my channel. Once again, I'm Troy. I hope you have an amazing day. Take care.